In this video, we are gonna see about ear sensor integration with LED and servo using Arduino board. First, we are going to take the ear sensor, which has 3 pin VCC, out and ground. The VCC is connected to the power supply 3 volt, and ground is connected to the ground, and the output is connected to the second pin. See, you can see the respective connections. The IR sensor's connection is connected to the second pin, and the ninth pin is connected to the servo motor, which is also has 3 terminals: ground, power, and data pin. This power supply of this servo motor is connected to 5 volt in Arduino board. You may see every connections. We connected 2 grounds and one 5 volt for servo motor and 3.3 volt for IR sensor. We're gonna detect the object using this IR sensor. If we show the object is nearby, means the LED will blink and the servo motor will rotate. As you see, if we point any object near to the IR sensor, means the LED will blink. Wait for some time. See, the LED blink and the servo motor is visibly rotating. So our project's output is success in hardware. The entire board is connected to the computer using USB, and this is the code for this project. We can upload this entire code and compile and upload this code using the upload key. See, the code is getting compiled. After getting compiled, it will check error while compiling itself. If any error, means it will show error. If compilation success, means it will show done compilation and uploading. So see, you can see the done uploading message. So our project is successful. So we can see, open the serial monitor here.